Alright, so just here, looking at water. He said there's some snakes over there. That guy right there, my finger's pointing. He said there's a bunch of snakes here, but I haven't seen them. Trails, like just water and water and water. I seen him. He caught a snake though over there. I didn't record it, but when I walked down there was like something over there. I thought it was like, I don't know, like a bug or something, but then it wasn't. So I thought it was a fish. But then it's pretty deep over there actually. It's good enough for a fish to go in. Now I'm gonna walk the deadly trails. I'm gonna walk look at the dog. I'm gonna walk the deadly trails. Deadly trails. Looking out for snakes and zombies, vampires, and werewolves. 100% there's zombies and werewolves here. They don't just come out at night. The werewolf is like turns to all day. It's been a minute and 38 seconds. Look at that. There was a snake. These rocks. Look at that. It's like deep enough over there. I've seen a little bit over there. It's deep enough for a fish to go. Or a snake. I'm out. Bye. 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 Okay, bye. Bye. I'm out. Jesus. It's very... There's something right there. I'm just gonna walk the other way. Like completely. Other way. No. It's Look at that. I just saw something. Alright. I can see the water. What the heck is that? Something died right there. Wait. It's like dead stuff in the water right there. Okay. Look at that side. It's probably like dead animals over there, ready to attack. Just zoom out. Alright. This is like dead animals over there. Probably. Not dead animals, but animals that could pounce on you and kill you. Just kidding. There's a plastic bottle. Nature. It's tough. Bye.